In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to center two objects in Inkscape quickly and perfectly, so you can line up your designs without guessing or eyeballing anything. This is one of those simple but essential skills that makes your designs look clean and professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Inkscape tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Inkscape project and make sure both objects you want to center are visible on your canvas. These could be shapes, text, images, or any combination of elements. Now, select both objects at the same time. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking each object one by one. Once both are selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around them. Next, open the Align and Distribute panel. The fastest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus A on your keyboard. This panel is where all the alignment magic happens in Inkscape. Once the panel is open, look for the drop-down menu labeled Relative to. This setting is very important because it determines how your objects will align. Click on that drop-down and choose Last Selected. What this does is it tells Inkscape to keep the last object you clicked in place and move the other object relative to it. So if you want one object centered on top of another, make sure you click the base object last. Now we're ready to center the objects. In the Align and the Distribute panel, find the button called Center on Vertical Axis and click it. This will align both objects so they are perfectly centered left to right. After that, click the Center on Horizontal Axis button. This aligns them top to bottom. Once you click both of these, your objects will be perfectly stacked in the exact center of each other. And just like that, you've aligned your objects with precision. No manual dragging, no guesswork. If you ever notice things not align in the way you expect, double check which object you selected last and confirm that the relative to setting is correct. That small detail makes a big difference. And that's it. That's how you center two objects in Inkscape the easy way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and useful design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.